Okay, so this video, Mike will share his personal journey to the audience, and thank you, Mike, for doing that. But before we, Mike share his journey of hair loss and his hair loss, how he found my clinic and why he chose my clinic, and explain about the detail of recovery and then surgery day, and then a year later, I'm going to show the audience what Mike looked like before, and just to get an idea that hair transplant can be done and it can be very natural, and it brought back his youth and his handsome face. And Mike is already handsome himself. All my hair transplant did was just brought back his look, and that was Mike hair. And so the stage is your, Mike. So go ahead. Can you share the audience what your hair loss journey is about, and start from the beginning, how hair loss affected you and your research you find my clinic?
Well, I was losing my hair since my mid-30s, and it just kept getting worse and worse. My hairline just kept receding further and further back, and I was self-conscious. I thought, okay, well, what can I do about this? Well, I just wore a hat for a long time, and that's all I thought I could do until I discovered that I could get my own hair back. So I started doing a lot of research into how I can get this done. And I looked all around the Bay Area. In fact, I looked all over the whole United States. And I narrowed it down between just a couple doctors, and Dr. Diep was the one that I chose. And for a lot of different reasons, I spent probably a full year online looking, investigating different doctors and different just online places that were talking about hair growth and showing their results and so on and so forth. And I liked the results I saw with Dr. Diep, and I chose him.
Yeah. Well, reading on the forum, reading review is helpful. How great the doctor went from other client, but it can still be subjective, right, Mike?
Yes.
And so for Mike, the review is one thing, but he want to see more of the objective stuff. He want to see proof that the surgeon can be done. So, and I'm pretty sure he watched quite a bit of my work online.
Yes, absolutely.
And to show how natural it can be. Okay. So, Mike, can you share with the audience what's surgery day like? I don't know, you remember what time it started, and how is it like, and the recovery part.
Well, I came in the day of surgery, and I was given some medication to help with the pain, and before I knew it, it was over. And I was
sort of like a blur.
Yeah, I was just kind of walking out with my wife, and got in the car, went home, and it was a little bit surprising looking at my hair at first, but it quickly got better, and it didn't take very long. It wasn't very painful, and I'm going to do it again. But
can you share when do you notice the hair start to shed, and when the hair start to regrow back to you?
yes, the hair started to fall out a little bit after probably a couple months. And but not that much came out, actually.
Okay.
And but then it started coming in, and I could tell right away that I could see the hairline. I could see it growing all in the front of my head here and on top. And I was amazed and just really happy to see that hair started growing in, and I couldn't wait until a year later, which it is now,
Mhm.
and I couldn't be happier.
Did any your friend or anybody notice you have had surgery, or did they say you look different or some way?
A lot of people have noticed,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, everybody has noticed,
Yeah.
and they think that I look much better now, and,
Uh-huh.
and I feel much better now,
Yeah.
and I'm very happy with the results.
Thank you. And you know, it's really changed a person, not just physically but emotionally too. When
Yes.
you look in the mirror, you know, and you see the guy that you imagine, you know, what's it about, and with a hair, and I'm pretty sure a lot of clients doing the before surgery, they get nervous about, oh my gosh, will I have a natural look? Will they grow out? You know, and during the recovery, the waiting period is scary too, because it starts shed, and then you see your hair pretty bald.
Yes.
And then but slowly but surely, and again, that's why watching other people work and their progress, it helps you understand, you know, it's a year process, and the density will come, and some people will get earlier and some people get slower, but for sure it will come. But the and you know, when you do hair transplant, you don't just base on advertisement, you base on reading the forum, reading the review, but that's just a small part. But watching a lot of the before and after, not just photo, but video as well. And video, especially mine, is raw, and I don't know how to edit, and you can see my skill for editing is just not left a lot to desire, but my surgical skill is better. But the most important thing is to see a lot of objective proof and see a lot of consistent work. And online, I have like over 1,600 video and thousands of videos, and that's and photos too, and that's help reinforce that the work is real. And then if you subscribe to my channel, every Friday I upload new video,
Yes.
and you do that, and you see how consistent every week is. And Mike was watching it. Now he's on the other side and being a patient, and now and he's on the other side and showing proof that hey, it works. And for him, thank for him to trust my work, and now he's the living proof, my walking billboard. Thank you, Mike, for sharing
Very
that.
happy. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.